So welcome to AI with Faithfulness. Right away, I want to show you an AI model that I love so much. It's one of the models that I mastered in my journey as an AI prompt engineer and AI creator. This is no other model than the Dream Face. Okay, so all you have to do is go straight to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store and you type Dream Face. You know why I like this app? It's easy to navigate, very, very easy to navigate. And there are so many AI models that, but they're the ones that when you pick them up, you don't even know where to start from. So let's look at Dream Face. You go type Dream Face. You'll see so many apps about this Dream Face, all right? But you'll be careful to select this particular one I'm going to show you. All right, this is it. This is Dream Face. This one that has a green and a funny emoji on it. This. So that's a Dream Face. You go ahead and download it. I already have it in my phone. So what I'll just do is to update. Thank God I came in here. I wouldn't have known that I needed to update, because from time to time they update and give you new features, new beautiful and powerful features. All right, so what makes Dreamface so exceptional is that um I like the fact that you can lip sync. That is one thing I like about Dreamface. I taught you about lip syncing. Lip syncing is ability to make your AI talk the same way at the same time with the body movement or the mouth movement, as the case may be. I know sometimes you have seen some AI images that or videos that people created, and you find out that the character is talking, maybe he's saying hello, but the mouth have not moved yet before the hello. I've forgotten what that is called in motion pictures, in motion videos. So that is actually one of the reasons why I like Dreamface, because Dreamface gives you room to first lip sync your image into video, then you now pick the video and then make it and create whatever you want to create with it. All right, so I'm going to show you the features, how it goes. Remember that by now you must have written down your every of your prompts that you want to use for that video creation. Okay, now another thing I need you to know about Dreamface while we're waiting for it to install is that we have the free version. Of course, we know every model, every app has the free version and the premium. So in the free version, you are only allowed to create a video for just it should be 30 seconds. Yeah, I think Dreamface is 30 seconds, unlike the other apps that will give you only 5 seconds. Some will give you 4 seconds in bits, in bits, in bits. But Dreamface is a bit, the duration, I love it so much. Okay, so then another thing is that in each of your prompts you are only allowed to use 500 characters. 500 characters, so you can't use more than 500 characters for the free version. Premium version, you can actually navigate. So let's go ahead now and open up the, sorry, I'm having a call interruption here. Let's go ahead now and open up, Jesus, this young woman, sorry. We've opened up the Dreamface app. All right, we've opened it up. Sorry, the network that's making it to glitch. Okay, so what you're going to see once you get started is to sign up. So make sure to sign up for free. You'll be getting free credits. Oh my God. Ah, Okay, so sorry guys for that interruption. So once you are here now, don't don't click on this continue, please. Don't click on the continue since you are going to use the free version, unless you want to go pay for it. So what you would do is, okay, these are all the payments. We have the least one is 7,900 per week. So you actually use the premium version, but by the time you have set up your content creation platform, your account and everything, that's when I advise you to do that, so that you know that as you are spending money using the premium version, you are also making money back. That's my mindset about using all these paid versions, right? Not to use paid version for fun. Okay, so just go straight to this. Look at this. Can you see that close bar? So click on it. It's hidden there. These people are very cunning, so you may not even know. You say, that means I must make payment, and you now start coming down here. No, just go click on the close box here, and close up the paid version thing, the payment mode. Then it will now bring you to this interface. So once you get to this interface, this is what is going to happen. All right guys, so sorry for that interruption. So this today's reward shows that you have 2 free universal generations, 3 dream video, 2 dream images, 2 live portraits. So you can do two two free universal generations. You'll see all of them in here. So these are the free. It's a total of 5. They are all interconnected. You have three free videos to generate today. So every day they give you 3 free videos, 2 free images, and then 2 live portraits, and 2 free universal generations. Every day they give it to you. So if you exhaust it, that means you have to wait for the next 24 hours. All right, so you can also earn more free rewards. When you click on earn more free rewards, um it means that you are going to verify your email. I have already done that. That's why they said done. That's it was when I did it that I got the 2 universal generations. Okay, so just verify your email and get more free creations. Okay, let's close this. The next thing you do is to do what? Close this dialog box here. Close this. All right, when you close it, you now come to the major interface. So when you look at this, we have this AI model can generate images, just as we have here. It can generate images. It can also generate or convert your image to your video. It can also make you talk or sing. Okay, now image generation, you already know what image generation is. That means you can collect your prompt from ChatGPT and come here, paste it, and put your reference image, or if you don't have one, they can give to you. That's what this means. Then the second one here, image to video, means that you can take your image and then cause it to, make movements, walk, whatever is your prompt. When you paste it there and you paste your image, it will start. If you want it to dance, the same thing applies. Then talk slash sing means that it's going to make your image to speak. All right, image to video. In image to video, your image cannot speak, but it can, make body movements, mouth movements. This is actually where I do the lip syncing. After doing the lip syncing, you now move the same video you have already lip synced to um converting it to talk and sing. All right, so let's now go into it to see how it really works. Um Dreamface has a lot of features. Look at all this. See, when you scroll down, you see everything you are seeing here. You can explore them. You can use your face to do all this. Yes, you have seen people do videos like this, right? Beautiful. You can do this. You can use it to be running the content on your page. Look at all these babies dancing. You can see that tribal swinging. You can do a whole lot with this app. You can do a whole lot with this app. So this is the universal generation we're talking about. So you have two free that you can do in a day. Okay, so let's go to the main reason why we are here. Now, I'm not going to image generation. You already, okay, let me still practice it with you. You click on image generate. All right. So, what do you want to generate? Um, I have a prompt in my head. I will say generate three D. Let me say 3D avatar of an old black African village man. Give it a village set with huts and trees in the environment. So I've taught you about this. Just play around, and give a description of what you want. So I don't have any reference image I want to give to it. I don't want, but if I want to give, let me use a reference image. Let me use one. Okay, click on reference. Um, let me see. Okay, I have this. I have this images. Let me see. I need to use an image of a man because I'm talking of an African man. Okay, let me use the image of this pastor here. This is an AI image I created also, and I used Dreamface to create it. But let's do it. This is going to be funny. You know why I'm laughing? Because that's my dad. Okay, of an old black African village man with beards, with white beards and hair. Okay, let me give this a quality. So I'll say high resolution. Oh, the mistake, I'm typing in the wrong place. In the environment. High, let me use full stop before it thinks it's a continuation. High resolution. 8K quality. Okay, so let's create. I want to take away the 3D avatar, but let's leave it. Let's leave it. Let's see what it's going to give us. So generate. And another reason why I like Dreamface is that Dreamface is very fast. It's very, very fast, I tell you. It's very fast, unlike some other models I use, like Degen AI. Degen AI can be slow. Okay, we have our image. Wow, can you see that? So he's still holding his microphone. I didn't talk about his outfit. That's why he left everything like that for me. You see. So AI follows your prompts. You see the huts, you see the trees and everything. Okay. So now look at, you have the watermark here. This is a bad thing for us here. But when you want to use your video for content creation, you're putting on your account, I will teach you how to remove it. You can actually use CapCut to remove it. You crop the video, crop it to get to this level, right? With that, the dream face will disappear. But actually, when you pay for the premium, you will have access. So you come down here on this download icon and download your image. Okay. Okay, it's downloading. It's downloading. So you can actually do the lip syncing also here. It is saved in my album. You can do the lip syncing here as well. You can look at it. This is lip syncing. You can also do video generation. You can enhance it to HD quality, but we're not using the premium version to have this. So but let's try the lip syncing. Click on lip sync. It has brought us to where you will lip sync. Are you seeing that? So but I want to show you step by step. Okay, so let's now, we have our image, right? Now let's now go back to image to video. So I'll come here and I'll put the image, confirm, then describe your image, make the old man lip sync, make body and hand movements as he speaks to a crowd of young villagers. Sorry for that. Villagers seated, listening to him. So we're not creating more image inside this image. Are you seeing it? Create. It will upload first before creating. It has uploaded, so the creation is going on now. So while we are waiting for this, remember, this is just, I just, crafted this. Don't work like that when you start your content creation journey. If there is a story you want to work on, okay, you want to create a podcast where there will be an old man who gives advice to young people about life, about relationship, about work. Beautiful. Are you seeing this now? Exactly. He's making the mouth movement and he's making the body and hand movements. Are you seeing that? So what next do you do? Next thing you do is you still download it. Save to album. You close. Now we are now ready to now create the final video. And what do we do? You go to avatar, talk/sing. That's the green box. So one thing about the talk/sing, the green box, this particular interface where we are here, is you don't pick a prompt like the way Veo 3 will create a prompt to say the man picks the mic or the man sits down. No, you don't do that here. This place is specifically to just speak. So anything you write here in the prompt is what the video, the character you have uploaded will be talking. So if you make the mistake and you now copy verbatim of the prompt from ChatGPT, and now the place that we have something like the old man sits down in brackets, are you getting? This is not like Veo 3 or Google Flow. This particular place, the only thing you do here is you make the character, that speech, that talk, the character, that line, those things the character is supposed to say, that is what you will drop here, right? So this is what makes it different from other ones. The other ones are going to tell you he sat down, he did this one. In fact, Dreamface is very perfect for speech to video, like you want to talk for podcast, okay? For somebody who is giving advice, is very good. It's very, very good. So let's now go to the next thing you do is you upload your video. You click on the plus sign. I hope you saw where I clicked. You click on the plus sign here, okay? Then we're going to take the video. This is the image, this is the video. Let's pick the video. Good. It's there now. Then the next thing you do is you click on want avatar to say or sing. I want it to say. So now, in wanting him to say here, you have your text to type. If you have the prompt of what you want the character to type, just copy it and paste here, okay? But if it is a voice, like you have already recorded that voice, you want the exact voice of the person to be used, you click on import. When you click on import, it will take you to where you have your voice recordings. That's here, I mean. That's here. But if it is a music you want to upload, let's say that this character is actually generated a character to be dancing, okay, and it's a music you want him to dance to, you can go ahead and search for your music. Then if you want to record directly, you go ahead and pick record. The risky thing about recording is that you must make sure that while doing your recording, there is no background noise. So you do it very early. Maybe you create this content very early in the morning when people are all sleeping, or you target when everywhere is calm, and you use your mic, your pin mic, to do your recording and save it. So but here I'm not going to do any of this. Adibin is my image I'm creating, and I want to use exactly my voice. I can do recording, but we're not doing any of this. We'll just do test. So when we do test, what are we going to say? My children. I want you to know that I want you. You can actually generate this prompt with ChatGPT. I hope you know. I want you to know that there is no competition in life. The sky is too large to accommodate all stars, which you are all one of the stars. Backbite, blackmail, or betray your brother or sister just because you want to be better than him or her. So sorry for taking this time. Okay, so each and every one of you, each and every one of you is great in his way. Focus on yourself. So let's just speak it this way. I just have to craft this. So you click confirm. Okay. So remember I told you that this particular typed prompt, takes like 500 characters maximum. So anything more than that, it means you are going for the premium version. All right. So the next thing we do is to choose voice. You choose voice. So we have Baby Rose. Baby Rose is a child, so you can check each of the voices: male, female, child, rapid, neutral. So it's a male voice, right? So since it's a male voice, let's look at for if we have something like old man, old man, old man, old man. We don't. Others are the pro version. So let's go for Santa Claus B. Let's see.
Welcome to Dream Face. Wishing you have a wonderful day.
Good. This sounds old a bit.
Welcome to Dream Face. Wishing you have a wonderful day.
Let's check.
Hello, welcome to Dream Face. We hope you have a wonderful day.
Let's check Mike.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface.
No.
We hope.
Welcome to Dreamface.
No.
Wishing you happy.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface.
No.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface. We hope you have a wonderful day.
Welcome to Dreamface. Wishing you have a wonderful day.
Okay, so we go for this Santa
Welcome
Claus
to
movie.
Dream Face. Wishing you have a wonderful day.
Good. This sounds like an older man.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface.
Let's go
We
for
hope.
Santa Claus.
Welcome
B.
to Dream Face.
Good. So we have picked it. Okay. Animate effect is Dreamface 1.0. If you are going for the HD, it means you are going for the Pro. So we are still on the free mode. So the next thing you do is to click on animate. Yeah, it's animating. It's animating. It's animating. Okay, it's uploading. So guys, the ball is in your court. You just have to figure it out. What do you want to do with AI? You know, you go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT everything. Create a 30 days content for me, and you will create it. Sure, you now start picking them one after the other. Anyone you pick, you create. Anyone you pick, you create. So you can actually run a YouTube channel where you give health advice. If you are into marketing, where you give marketing advice, you can decide to use your face. You decide to use an avatar, just like we did now. So remember, the prompt I used to generate this image was 3D avatar. So that's why it did not look exactly like the man. Okay, and even I said 3D avatar that carries the same face with the man in the image. That is where you will now see that it will look exactly like the man. Okay.
My children, I want you to heart there is no competition in life. The sky is too large to accommodate all stars, but you're all on to the stars. You don't have to backbite, blackmail, or betray your brother or sister just because you want to be better than him or him. Each and every of you is great in his way. Focus on yourself. My children, I want you to heart there is no competition in life.
So you can see
the sky is too large to accommodate all stars, but you're all on to the stars. You don't have to backbite, blackmail, or betray your brother or sister just because you want to be better than him or him. Each and every of you is great in his way. Focus on yourself. My children, I want you to heart there is no competition in life. The sky is too large to accommodate all stars, but you're all on to the stars. You don't have to backbite, blackmail, or betray your brother or sister just because you want to be better than him or him. Each and every of you is great in his way. Focus on yourself. My children, I want you to heart there is no competition in life. The sky is too large to.
So you now move back to your gallery to be sure that your video is actually there, right? Okay, so it's actually 5 seconds. Yeah, 5 seconds play. So let's play it.
The sky is too large to accommodate all stars, but you're all on to the stars. You don't have to backbite, blackmail, or betray your brother or sister just because you want to be better than him or him. Each and every of you is great in his way. Focus on yourself.
So, when you listen to it, you know that there are some errors. So I was in a haste actually. So what you have to do is,
Can you read this clearly?
sorry,
Your eyes help you learn, work, play.
My phone is just misbehaving. So take your time and go through what you have prompted before you animate your video. It's very, very important. Please, that's what will save you. So look at this. Okay.
I want you to tar. There is no my children, my children, my children, my children. I want you to tar. There is no
I want you to tar. What's that? That's a mistake, all right? So take your time. Go through your video over and over, please. And make the necessary corrections. You can reprompt and recreate the video, reanimate. Yes, that's the journey. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. So I wish you the best as you start your AI content creation journey, and I know you make money out of it. Bye.